Hello guys! So sharing you my outfit of the day. So we're going to an iFriend event. So our dress is from Shein. Ayan. Also our heels, gold, high heels pumps is from Shein as well. And yung ating bag naman ay from Louis Vuitton. So kinuha natin to dun sa isa nating bag. So since detachable naman siya, ito yung usually ginagamit ko kapag kailangan ko mag-formal na damit. Yan. So, also, our watch is from Rolex. Yan. So, I also use this. Lagi ko naman itong suot. Hindi ko na siya inaalis. So, stud earring from Tessera. And also, yung aking necklace, hindi ko na rin yan tinatanggal dyan. So, it's a gold na nabili ko sa Korea before. And syempre, yung ating sing-sing, most precious ring na pamana sa atin ng ating lola. Ayan. So, yun lang yung ating outfit today.